Hey guys, I'm Ronaldo. Today I'm gonna introduce the 2002 European flood. The 2002 European flood occurred mainly in Central Europe, but some non-central regions were also affected. The main cause of the flood was the increased precipitation in 2002, which led to a significant increase in the water levels of many rivers, many of which reached their highest level on record, such as Danube. The increase in precipitation also led to an increase in river flows. The main cause of flooding was a week of continuous heavy rainfall. Many scientists believe that Europe will face a great chance of heavy rainfall in the future due to climate change, while the movement of storms will also increase the chance of heavy rainfall. The impact of the flood was not only the loss of goods, but also loss of life. At least 100 people have died in the flood. More than 30,000 people had to go to shelters because their houses were destroyed by the flood. The government will spend more than $1 billion to provide relief during the flood and to rebuild afterward. In Saxony, more than 2/3 of territory was affected by the flood, which caused severe social and economic damage.